Well, my good people, let's have a sushi mukbang with two sushis. What do we have here? Yep, just got two sushis left, buddy. Nice little mukbang with two sushis. This is the way that you eat a raw sushi. You enjoy it. Oh, what the? Real good. Real good. Real good. Real tasty. If I had to say so myself. Real good sushi. Sushi so good, make you wanna smack your mama. Yum 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 yum. Tastes real good to me. That's real good. Get a little Pepsi. Once again, a little Pepsi. See, you have to have an acquired taste for sushi. This is the shrimp kind. You feel me? What the? Real good. See that? Nice sushi. With the eel sauce in and out. Real good, y'all. Real good. Nice sushi. Tastes so good, make you wanna smack your dad. You two gonna love this. Eating sushi, one-on-one. How you like that? How you like them apples? You know what I mean? How you like them apples? Real sushi.